dear students to Sudharma's physics classroom. Today I am here with a very nice experiment. We are going to make a water level indicator. So water level indicator means what? It will show something, right? It will show an indication when water reaches up to a level. So I am going to make the water level indicator using a buzzer. So of course when I am using a buzzer, when water reaches to a particular level, it is going to make sound. So the materials used for this experiments are a buzzer, a battery, it's a 9-volt battery, 2 pencils. You can see the speciality of these pencils. I have sharpened both the edges of these pencils, and I have a scale, the scale which you use in your geometry box, and I have 2-3 rubber bands. So it looks very simple, right? The materials are easily available. Now let's start making it. So I'm going to connect 2 rubber bands to this battery. Then through this I'm going to insert these pencils. On both the sides I'm going to insert this pencil. Okay. So here also I'm going to insert the pencil. Okay, so this is how it looks now. Now I'm going to do the connection of the buzzer. So from one end of the buzzer, you can see 2 connecting edges for this buzzer. So one of the edges I am connecting to the positive terminal of the battery. So I am just connecting it. So this edge I am going to connect along with the pencil. Okay, so along with the pencil and the negative edge of the battery. So let me just use a rubber band here. So we need that free edge of the other wire. Okay, so let's see for what purpose we need that edge. So I'm just going to tighten this here using the rubber band. So just take out this free edge, and here now I have 2 free ends of these wires. So these free ends I'm going to connect to the pencil. Okay, so one edge of the pencil I'm connecting here. So connect it properly so that it has a proper connection with the pencil edge. The other end, which is free from the buzzer, I'm going to connect to the other edge of the pencil. Okay, yeah. So now we need the indicator, right? So for the indicator purpose, make sure it is connected properly. So up to what level the water comes, if you want to see that, you can connect the pencil. So the scale you are connecting here. So this is how our water level indicator looks like. So here the pencil sharpness, we have to make sure that, so connect it to the edge so that these 2 connections comes properly. Okay, yeah. So this is how our water level indicator looks like. So now we can test it. Okay, let's try it. Our water level indicator is ready. Now let's check its working. So I am going to pour water into this tumbler. Now the tumbler is empty. I am going to pour water into this. Slowly I am pouring water. So it's almost reaching to those pencils. Now the water level touched the pencil, and you can clearly hear the sound. It's a loud sound produced by this buzzer, right? So that means once water reaches to a particular level, the alarm rings or the buzzer starts making sound. So what makes this buzzer working? Let me take it out now. So now the same device is with me, it's not making sound, right? Why? How many of you know the answer? When I am touching these two pencil leads, still it is not working. Again I am just trying once again, it's inserted into the water. So those pencil leads are touching the water surface, again it's creating sound. So we can understand 2-3 things here. One thing is, initially it was an open circuit, right? The battery is there, the buzzer is there, it is connected to the pencils on top end. At the bottom it is open, right? That means it is an open circuit. There is no conducting path between these two edges. So when I am just immersing that in water, or when water surface is touching these pencils, through water the electric current will be flowing, right? The charges will pass through this water. That means that water is a good conductor of electricity. Now where is the other wire? Normally when current has to flow through a circuit, there should be a wire, right? You cannot see a wire here. I have connected two pencils. That means these pencils are conducting, right? Have you ever know that the pencils are conducting? The pencils we use from our childhood, it's a conducting material. It's made of graphite. Okay, within this, with whatever we write with the pencil, that edge, right, that thing, it is graphite. Graphite is a conducting material. So when it touches water, through graphite, through water, the current will flow. So the buzzer is working. So hope you understood the principle behind this water level indicator. So learn science, practice science and spread science. Thank you for watching. Bye.